Here's how to block Roblox on YouTube. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your YouTube account. While you are on your YouTube account, click on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right. Afterwards, you'll be redirected on the settings option. Click on the Family Center option. Once you click on the Family Center option, you will be redirected on the page where you will see their options that you can create a YouTube Kids. Now what you need to do is to create a YouTube Kids so that you can go ahead and block some channels. Because if you're just going to use a normal YouTube, you cannot block any channel on your end. So once you have already the YouTube Kids, you can go ahead and set parameters on where the channels that you can actually only want the kids to watch. Now, once you have already created the YouTube Kids, Roblox will now be automatically blocked because you will set this as a parameter that doesn't need to be watched by the kids.